Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to create a shipping method in Odoo using rules based on price and weight to determine the shipping amount to be charged to the customer. We'll also ensure that the shipping method is applied correctly on the website at checkout. First, log into your Odoo account and navigate to the dashboard. From there, go to the Sales module and click on the Configuration menu. Select Shipping Methods. In the Shipping Methods screen, click on the Create button to add a new shipping method. Give your shipping method a name, for example, Standard Shipping. Next, set the pricing rules. Under the Pricing tab, click on Add a Line. Here you can define the rules based on price and weight. For instance, you can create a rule where orders under $50 are charged $5 for shipping and orders over $50 are free. You can also set weight-based rules, such as orders under 10 kilos are charged a specific rate. Once you've set your pricing rules, go to the Website tab. Make sure the Publish checkbox is selected so that the shipping method is visible to customers on the website. This step is crucial to ensure that the shipping method appears during checkout. After configuring your shipping method, click Save at the top left of the screen. Now, let's test the shipping method to ensure it's working correctly. Go to your website and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and verify that the correct shipping method and amount are displayed based on the rules you set. Remember, if the shipping method is not published, it won't appear for your customers during checkout. Always double-check that the Publish option is enabled. If everything looks good, your shipping method is now live and ready for customers to use. If you encounter any issues, double-check your pricing rules and make sure the method is published. And that's it. You've successfully created and tested a shipping method in Odoo using rules based on price and weight. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.